Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set a page as a home page in the website builder on Hostinger. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Hostinger website if you have not already. So what you can do is go to hostinger.com, and from here at the top of the screen you can open up the services tab and open up the AI website builder. So that's going to enable you to go ahead and sign up for a plan if you do not already have one and log into your account, after which you are going to go and be greeted by this age panel right here, from where we can go and access our websites. And from here I have my website I've already created, so I'm going to click the edit button. By clicking the edit button, it's going to open up this new menu of our website in the editor mode, from where we can get started editing our website. And at the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can use for managing our website, and what we're looking for to be able to set a home page is the pages section right here. By clicking pages, this is going to go ahead and open up pages and navigation menu, from where we can go and take a look at all the pages that we already have. We can go and create a new one if we want, and so on. And to set a page as a home page, all you have to do is just click the three dots right here next to the page name. That's going to open up the settings, and you're going to see this option that says make home page. So by clicking make home page, it's going to set it as the new home page of your website, and once you open up the website, the first page you're going to be seeing is that one, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.